Philips Sonicare Toothbrush. Troubleshooting common issues. Encountering issues with your Philips Sonicare toothbrush can be frustrating, yet many common problems can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. This section covers how to handle common issues and ensure your toothbrush works smoothly. Reset not working. If the reset function on your Philips Sonicare toothbrush isn't working, start by ensuring the device is charged. Sometimes a low battery can interfere with the reset process. Place your toothbrush on the charger for at least 24 hours. Then, try resetting it again. Another reason the reset might not work is due to dirt or debris. Check the charging port and clean it if necessary. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust or grime. Avoid using water or liquid cleaners. If the toothbrush still does not reset, check the user manual. Some models may have specific reset instructions. Follow them closely to ensure you are doing it correctly. Error messages. Seeing error messages on your Philips Sonicare toothbrush can be confusing. Start by identifying the exact error code or message displayed. Refer to the user manual for a detailed explanation of each error code. One common error message is related to battery issues. If the toothbrush shows a low battery error, charge it fully. Place it on the charger for a full 24 hours before using it again. Another frequent error message involves the brush head. Ensure the brush head is properly attached. Sometimes a loose brush head can cause error messages. Remove and reattach it firmly. If your toothbrush displays a motor error, it might indicate a mechanical problem. In such cases, contacting Philips customer support is advisable. They can provide further guidance and potential repair options. Regular maintenance and care can prevent many common issues with your Philips Sonicare toothbrush. Keep it clean and store it properly to ensure optimal performance. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.